As most of you know, our vehicles were parked 2¼ miles away from the cabin all winter, and I had the plow connected to this the entire winter, and we were just using this to clean open the property so we could have our other vehicles parked there. A couple of times when I went into the truck, I could see some little bits of paper, and I know that mice get into vehicles when they're parked for a while, get them in the Jeep too. But I searched all over the place behind the seat and everything, and I never found any damage. Then I started getting a little funky thing going on with the electricals. The other day we're going down the road and Lori pulls the visor down and check this out. Look at this. Frickin' mouse nest. Look. Of all the places for them to nest, you'd think they'd get up under the seat or something. They must crawl upside down. Look at this. All the seeds and stuff fall into the light when I bang on the roof. Oh. This means war. There was a lot of stuff going through that hose. Banging on the ceiling, I could just feel all kinds of seeds and nuts, and I don't know, we might have got a mouse. Let's find out. Look how much stuff was in my ceiling. Plus some more down there. Look at all the seeds and stuff they had in my ceiling. Shredded paper, insulation. I'm not a happy camper at all. Are you salivating? You're salivating. You see this crispy cracker can? I have one at this cabin and the other cabin, and we keep Frankie's cookies in them. And to my recollection, and I might be wrong, but from what I remember when we went to the store and got crackers, they came in a metal can. And I remember pretzels that way, and even Wise potato chips. So whether or not we bought them in the metal can when I was a kid, or we just put them in the metal can, but regardless, at one time the crackers came in a metal can. It just goes to show you how things have changed over the years. So we use them to keep Frankie's cookies in, as you can see. And he's paying attention to the process. Wow. So at both cabins we have a cookie can, a crispy cracker can for his cookies. And every time that he goes out in the morning and at night to do his business, and he comes in, he gets a cookie. And he got it all figured out, because now he just asked to go out so he can come in and get a cookie. Hey, you can't go to the source. Jeepers, he's eating me out of house and all.
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go. There's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss.